Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on these Halo Couture extensions. I wear these all the time and I love them. I wore them in my engagement photos and also I'll be wearing them in my wedding. So if you want to know what I think about them, just keep watching. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Halo Couture extensions. These are so awesome. I got these because I'm getting married this year. And my hair is a decent length, but I wanted them for some more volume. I'm in love with them. I definitely will use them probably for the rest of my life. The quality of the hair is amazing. And by the way, this video is not sponsored at all. I'm just honestly giving y'all my honest opinion because I'm a hairdresser and I want to give y'all products that are actually good and worth your money. So I got the 16-inch non-layered and the color number 60. You can see them right here. It comes in this cute little box that's really cool, honestly, because you can store them in there. I'll just go ahead and show you the hair. So I have worn these a couple times, so they're kind of not brushed out right now, but that's okay. So I've only curled these once and they literally hold the curl. It's so awesome. I've only shampooed them once. It's probably about time to do that again. The color is perfect, matches really well. Today I'm going to show y'all an easy way to put them in. Whenever I first got them, the lady that I bought them from told me to put them on my head like this, hold it, and then put everything, just to take my comb and pick out the hair. Okay, so I tried that and it did not work for me. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so hard, I'm not even going to be able to wear them. Well, I found an easier way to do it. So what you're going to do is have your hair parted where you normally part. And you're going to leave about, I would say, 2 fingers width of hair out in the front on both sides. And then just make a circle from the back of your head around. Okay. And then we're just going to clip this up. Just like that. And my hair is not curled at all right now. This is just second day curls. So I do have my curling iron on though, in case I need to curl it. So it's just a fishing wire, a line, whatever you want to call it. And you're just going to put it over. And now whoever you buy yours from, they should adjust them according to your head shape. There's ways to adjust it. And so then you're just going to unclip that hair, let it fall over. And so as you can see, you can kind of still see where the extension is on my part. So one way to fix that is just comb over that wire. And that kind of hides that. But then also you want to go back through, because it's secure now, it's not going to come out. Just go back through and pull hair out from underneath the wire, just to give it a more natural look, and so it blends a lot better with your real hair. Love these. I've wore all kinds of extensions. I've had Bellamy's, I've had the Cheap Sally ones. There's nothing wrong with the Cheap Sally ones, but I'm an extension, I pretty much know the good and the bad, and which they're all good. But these are honestly the easiest that I've ever worn. It takes literally no time at all to get them on. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so it's kind of hard because I'm just staring at the camera. So yeah, let me brush them out just a tad bit because they are not brushed out. And I'm going to pop a few curls in here. And I'm using the Same Via Marcel curling iron. This one's pretty cool because if you can't use the Marcel part, it actually detaches and becomes a wand. So it's a great iron. I use it behind the chair a lot on all my guests. They're not heavy at all. I can pull in my hair. It's not gonna come out. It's secure. And just to give myself a little more volume, I'm gonna tease it. This is a moon comb from Pureology, if y'all have never seen one like this. I love this teasing comb. So once again, this is the Halo Couture extensions. I really enjoyed reviewing these for y'all, and if you enjoyed it too, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.